Warning, the storm is brewing. If you have noticed, there's a calmness in the air. The skies are sunny and blue. There's brightness all over Founders. This is the quiet before the storm. Very soon, this calmness is going to be replaced. If you look in the sky, you will see clouds forming on the horizon. You will feel the temperature changing. There's a calmness and tranquility in the air. The excitement is about this massive company building up, like the clouds are building up in a storm when it approaches. But this storm that is brewing is not going to be a destructive storm. This storm will give an indication on where it is headed on August 14th, and it will arrive at 1 p.m. New York time. The new company is this storm. It is the fringe of the massive storm that will follow. It will get you ready for the eye of this storm that is about to hit with a tremendous force, a force that has never ever been experienced before. Mr. Ashmufair's new company is this storm that is soon to hit the earth. The calmness that we see and feel that is all over the world is soon to be replaced by this new company. The meteorologists have been tracking this storm that started to form after a big storm that we anticipated veered off and turned to where storms die. This new storm started out as just a small disturbance, barely picked up by radar. But as time went by, it became obvious that this was no small disturbance. But have no fear! The storm is going to be for the benefit of humanity. You will not have to put in your house or tie down your lawn furniture. You will not have to board up your homes to keep the winds and the rain from coming into your house. You will not have to worry about flooding and damage from torrential rains and destructive winds. This storm is different. The storm that is scheduled to arrive with gale-forced winds on August 14, 2025. This isn't the massive storm, only the baby. It will be from the top of this world. It will be just a precursor of something even more spectacular. Unlike destructive storms, the new company is going to benefit humanity by showering humanity with the gifts. This will just open the floodgates. Barely, but what is brewing and coming up behind this initial arrival of the new company will help millions of people. So leave your raincoats in the house, leave your umbrellas in the house, and sit back and watch what is about to happen on August 14th, 2025. The storm is metaphoric. The new company of Mr. Ashmufair is real.